In this video, I will show you how to change your cash tag on Cash App in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Cash App on your device. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is come up to your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and you can see my cash tag is underneath my name. So it's currently set to Tech Tutorials, and to change this, all you want to do is press the Edit Profile button, and you'll see the option there for your cash tag. So what you want to do is press onto this. So I'm just going to go ahead and change this. So I'm going to change it to something like this. And then once you're happy with the changes, go ahead and press the green set button at the bottom. So it's going to say, are you sure you want to change your cash tag? You can only do this 2 more times. So in total, you can only change your cash tag 3 times in total. If you're happy to go ahead, press the confirm button. And you'll see that has updated straight away. So if I now come back to my settings, you can see underneath my name, I've now got my new cash tag. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.